You need to hear this if you're looking to ditch financial worries and live your best life. Step 1. Create a budget. List your income and expenses to see where your money is going. This is your roadmap. Step 2. Pay off debt. Focus on paying down high-interest debts first. It's like clearing out obstacles on your path. Step 3. Save and invest. Start an emergency fund and invest in stocks or mutual funds. Your money should work as hard as you do. Step 4. Live below your means. Find joy in simple things and avoid unnecessary expenses. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Step 5. Keep learning. Read books, follow financial blogs, and stay updated. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Remember, financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Take it one step at a time, and you'll get there. You've got this. Subscribe for more tips to live your best life financially free.